Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding who you're talking to and what one action you want them to take. Once chosen, set the flyer size, A4, 4x6 or 1080x1920, and configure 300 dpi with bleed. Next, gather your assets. A standout hero image, logo and vector, concise copy for headline and CTA, accurate pricing or package details, contact methods, and any required legal lines. Make sure to name files clearly and place related assets into one project folder to move quickly. Now you construct the flyer's visual logic. Set a clear hierarchy with a dominant headline, supporting subhead, and concise body text. Use 1 to 2 type families. Pick sizes that read from 6ft and down to mobile. Once done, apply a 60/30/10 color split for background, accents, and callouts, and confirm a minimum 4:1 contrast ratio for accessibility. Position the hero image and CTA using the rule of thirds so the eye moves naturally. Make sure the CTA is prominent, actionable, and easy to tap or to finish. Export a print-ready PDF in CMYK with bleed and crop marks. Verify fonts are embedded and images remain 300 dpi. Then create an RGB web version at 72 dpi as JPG or PNG and add a QR code that points to a tracked landing page. Once distributed, email blasts, social ads, and physical racks monitor performance with UTM parameters and conversion tracking. If print colors shift, recalibrate using a proof and adjust Pantone or CMYK values. Always request a hard proof before full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.